Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MieshaLave, and today I'm going to show you guys how I boiled my wig. This is part 1 to a 4-part series. As you can see, this wig is very brittle, nappy, stringy like, very hard to manage at this point. So we're going to try to boil it to revamp it back to how it came. Taking the water and putting it on the stove in a pot, and I'm also going to take this silicone mix, cut my stove on, and take like 2 big scoops of this conditioner and put it in the pot. I did want to use a lot of this conditioner because I am going to be inserting my whole wig into the pot, so I want to make sure everything gets coated and what it needs to penetrate in this water. So I'm just stirring the conditioner around, and I'm going to let it boil until it looks like this and everything is all mixed in. Then I'm just going to go in with my wig. I was kind of hesitant, but I did let the water simmer down a little, and I cut the stove off because you don't want to cook your wig. You just want to boil it. So we're going to have the water get steaming hot. Cut your stove off and insert your wig. Now I was kind of scared because I did not want my closure to melt, but it did remain the same and there is nothing wrong with my closure, so it turned out great. I did leave my wig sitting in a pot for like 25 minutes, and I checked it, and I just wanted to leave it in for an extra 5 minutes just to ensure everything gets penetrated. So in all, I left it in the pot for like 30 minutes. You see, I'm just checking to make sure my closure is okay, and I see that it's fine, and I'm just gonna stick it back in there. I'm just pouring out the water. It was very dirty from all the products that I had put in there, and it hasn't been washed. Taking this Pantene shampoo and conditioner. I did shampoo it a little and put a little bit more conditioner after I shampooed, just because I didn't want the hair to be sticky from just sitting in conditioner. So this is why I shampooed it. So I rinsed the conditioner off, and now I'm going in with the shampoo. I didn't put a lot of conditioner on there because it had just got boiled in conditioner. Do you see this hair? Like, look at my sink. This is like no cuts, no edits, no nothing. You guys see it straight. Like, there's no hairs in my sink. Like, I really feel like that bowl did tremendously good. Like, it was A1. I love it. I have had this hair for quite some time. Actually, it's been 6 months. And y'all, I have like some pros and cons to this hair, and I got some tea on it. I can't wait to do a 6-month hair review, which I will be uploading very soon. Maybe by the time you guys are watching this video, it may be up. If so, I will list it down in the description box. Go ahead and check out part 2, part 3, and part 4 to this 4-part wig revamp series. I do appreciate you guys coming to my channel to watch my videos. I hope you liked it. If you do, go ahead and hit like on this video, and also leave a comment down below to what you guys do when your wig gets old and stringy like and unmanageable. And also, if you have any video ideas or anything you want to see me do, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on that post notification so that you can get notified once I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. It's the way that you grab my waist and the place that you shoot. Boy, you know my body is calling your name. Every night is something new. Your touch is not the same. You get me excited, surprised every day. I can't wait for you to put your hands on me. Focus on